Good morning. Today is Monday. And papunta na kami sa aming camping. Papunta kami ng BC. Daanan ng tren yan. Ito na yung pa-zigzag-zigzag din eh. Puro lahat naman kasi zigzag. Sa gilid ka ng bundok pinapadaan eh.
Oh, yep. Zigzag.
Gilid din, parang pasana pa-curve na lang sana.
Baka sinusunod nila yung ano din, outline ng bundok.
Yeah, I think that's what's happening too. Zigzag.
Hilong-hilo na ako. Ay, ako, di na tayo sa ganitong klaseng daan.
That's
Sightseeing. Let's go lang. Kulit niya, umakit na siya sa taas.
yummy.
Thank you!
Good job, Lai. One more, kuya. Can't see?
Okay. Hello. You want it? Oh, okay, that's the one.
No, make it closer to him. Oh no. You have to wait. Oy, balik ka doon. Nakakaintindi to ng Tagalog eh.
What?
Oy, balik doon. Balik. Dali. Balik. Go back. Please. Please. Ah, wala kang treat. Dali na.
Okay, I'm gonna put this
Dali na.
down now.
Ah, walang treat yan. Look at him. Oh, no treat for you.
Ah. You like this one? Wait.
Share.
Save it. No.
Which one do you want to
This
feed? Oh, this guy.
No.
Share.
No. Here.
This brown.
Excuse me!
Si goatee. Oh, he's mad.
You want? Okay. Fine. Oh. What
Dito na kami sa Kelowna. Punta na sa Bear Creek.
Abang ka ba?
Ay, naku, sakit ang ulo ko.
Ah.
Wala kasing tulog. Kapit talaga eh.
Can we all take a swim in the pool for
Huh?
a bit and then start ready?
Walang pool dun.
The lake. I just keep saying pool.
Oh, okay.
Kakain mo.
We just woke up from our camping
Pero ang bago.
and there's an owl on the tree. Dinner. Okay. I'm coming soon. Yeah.
Look at this owl.
Mama, he's probably a fire.
Look at him. So cutie patuti.
First day sa Bear Creek Provincial Park. Yan ang setup ng aming tent. Kids is over here. My brother. And Elijah is there. Kuya Elijah. Kuya Kaden.
You lost the flare.
Oy, food. Aling Gerard over there. Binibidyohan ko lang yung ating setup. Okay na. Aring Raul. Ito ang aming screen tent para sa pagkain. Alright.
Palit tayo ng longganisa.
Kainan na breakfast. Beautiful morning in Kelowna.
You guys eat over there. Let's go eat.
May owl kami dito. Doon yung lake. Malapit na malapit sa washroom. Yung washroom. It's weekdays ngayon kaya hindi ganun ka-crowded. It's gonna be a beautiful day. Malapit lang din kami sa pinaka-entrance ng campground. Yeah. It's gonna be a good, hopefully we're gonna be doing lots of activities today. And fun things to do. Cherry picking probably. Yeah, kain na daw. Alright.
Not sure.
Papunta na kaming cherry picking. Kung meron pa. Hopefully. Medyo traffic. Tawid kami ng bridge. The Kelowna Bridge.
Okay, we are in Hyatt Orchard for cherry picking. Look how much cherries there is in this tree.
We have the
Ooh, nice.
I think we have the
Nice
most-
pick, Lai.
this one. I think we have the most
Busy ang lahat mag-pick. Lots of cherries. August 13 today. Kala namin wala nang mga cherries pero mayroon pa naman. Ah, daming cherries doon, oh. Whoa, look at this, Lai. Lots of cherries. Hi, brother.
Hi, I'm picking on the other side. I see lots over here.
Tama, di ba?
Hi, baby. How much is it there? $4 per ano? Per pound?
Yeah.
Oh.
Mahal yun. Yung sa last time,
Mas mura pa
bucket
rin.
20.
Parang.
20 yun. Isang bucket 20.
Yeah.
Mapuno mo man o hindi, 20.
Yeah.
I got it. I know you're very bad at picking.
No. Let him practice so he will learn.
And like that.
Yes, you did it right.
Get a good one. I got one.
Oh, put it in our bucket. Oh, put it to our bucket. They have their own life. Thank you for trying to share.
Oh, up top. We need ladder.
Orchard. Not bad. We have 4.5 pounds of cherries picked. It's about $19 with tax. Dito kami ngayon sa Kelowna City Park. Maraming chika babes. Yes!
Bulta ka doon sa malapit sa dagat ay
Ano tayo?
para
Ito lang chika babes, oh.
Oh yeah.
Ano? Dami chika. Babe! Anong masasabi mo, baby?
Ang masasabi ko lang,
Hello na. Review.
grabe.
Grabe.
Ang mga drivers dito, aggressive.
Tama.
Kailangan, ganun ka rin.
Mabilisan mo rin.
Kasi
Pag mabilis
hindi ka nila
sila, bilisan mo
pasisingilin.
din. Kailangan aggressive ka rin.
Hindi
Yung
sila
isa
namimigay, di
kanina,
nila.
medyo alanganin yung pagsingit.
Yeah, not all naman, not all. Kasi may nagbigay din sa atin, di ba?
Oh.
Pinayagan tayong patawarin. Oh, yeah. Dito, ba't parang hindi ito yun?
Di doon yung banda. Ayan, ang wibit namin.
Kasi yung mga anak natin.
Para bukas. Ganyan kami.
Kasi yung mga anak natin.
Lang, puntahan daw. Doon ang aming campground. Ayun, doon sa malayong malayo. Ayun, doon.
Yeah,
Doon, yun o, sa may mga pine trees doon sa dulo.
oh, yung may ano, na
Oo.
malapit sa tubig.
Ah, bukas nagaganyan kami. Yan na. Oh, 24 na yung wibit nila. Dati, mga 25 lang yan. Naging ano na.
Ayun pala sila.
Oh, yung mga kids.
Ayun yung mga anak namin.
Hindi yung mga anak namin. Lalakad-lakad. Be as wild.
Where's your belly button? Oh no, no more. No more belly button. Where are your toes? Wala na din.
Even the moving of my bone.
Yeah.
It's not here.